How to change chart type on Stocktwits. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are on Stocktwits and wondering how to view your stocks differently, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Stocktwits app on your device and sign in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and select Open. The stock symbol or company name. I'm just going to open up this stock symbol over here. Once you do that, you'll end up in this chart page. I have this line chart type right here on my chart page. To change that, click on the gear icon on the right corner and under chart settings, choose candle right under chart type. You'll be able to see two different options. Select the candle in order to change between candlestick. In the candlestick chart, this shows open, high, low, close prices, whereas in the line chart, it shows simple and clean chart option. So that's it. You can only switch between two of them. Go ahead and choose the chart type according to your preferences from this menu. So there you have it. That is how super easy and simple it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.